everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take these items and make these. So if you want to see how I take these items and put them together and make those lovely decor that you just saw, it's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut with that, or a muffin if you like, and let's get started. Okay, I taped off our two vases and I am going to spray paint them. Alright, it's a few hours later now and our vase is dry, but it's kind of cold outside, so the paint wasn't drying too good, so I had to go back over with some of this black acrylic paint, and it was the inside that I spray painted and painted both vases. And now I have some 5x5 mirrored tiles that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to cut them into different size strips, and I'll also be using some E6000 to help glue down our strips. Okay, so we're going to start with laying down our strips in different lengths, going right around our vase. If today is the first time that you're clicking onto my videos, I would like to say welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button and hit the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And I'm looking forward for you to becoming part of the Glamster team. And I am just going to clean off the vase because the oil and grease from our hands always get on the vase. So just clean as you go, and I'll be continuing this pattern right around the vase. And now our pattern is all done, going right around. So we're now going to add some of the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I took the bling wrap and I cut it into strips, and we're going to glue it with some hot glue, following the mirror tiles right around our decor. And there we go, that looks very nice. Now we are going to take some more of the mirrored tiles and lay it going around the top part of our vase, right around. Next, I'm going to add some strips going down the vase. And now for our other vase, I spray painted, halfway up? A little more than halfway up. And I left the top part clear. So I am going to add some of our bling chain, which I got from BeeBeeCraft. And I'll be using some E6000. And I'll be gluing it going right around the top part of our vase. And now I have the 3-link chain from BeeBeeCraft which I will be adding where just at the top where the black paint ends. Just to make it look a little neater, going right around with some E6000, and then we'll be gluing it down. And the link to all these bling items that I'm using will be down below in the description box, so you guys can click on the link and go over, whether it's to BeeBeeCraft or Totally Dazzled. The links will all be down below. So now it's all done, and now we're gonna add this nice gem from Totally Dazzled. I love the bling gems from Totally Dazzled, but of course I'm gonna have to clean off the vase first because it's all sticky, but then I will glue it down. And now I have this little silver vase here, and I'll be using some more of the bling chain from BeeBeeCraft to go right around and add a little bit of decor to it using the E6000. And here is the finished product. I like how they turned out. I think they look very nice with the black and the silver and the glass. Yes, they have a nice reflection off of the black. I think they look very nice. And like I said, because it was cold, the spray paint would not hold. It would spray and just run down to the bottom. So I had to let it dry and then just use the acrylic paint, and it still did the job. I like how they turned out. And I added a little bling to the bottom of that vase there. I don't know if you can see it, that I'm using for the legs. I like how they turned out, a vase and a candle holder. I think they look beautiful. And here's the candle holder displayed with a candle inside. That's why I kept the clear part at the top so you can see the candle once it's in the candle holder, which I think it looks absolutely lovely. And here is our vase with some flowers inside. I think it looks lovely with the flowers inside. I placed white flowers, but you know, you can place any color flowers to whatever your home decor is. Or you could just leave it by itself as an accent piece. I think it would absolutely look lovely. And here are two pieces together. I think they turned out very nice. A lovely piece of decor for your home, and it was so easy to put them together and make it. The only problem I had was the spray paint, and it's because of the cold weather. I think if it was like summertime, it would have been dried much faster, because I've never had trouble with paint when I'm spray painting, but because of the cold, it wouldn't stick to the glass. But that's okay. It was still an easy DIY to do, both of them. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. I think they both turned out lovely. I love how they look. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And once again, thank you for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
Admit, all the money that came and changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change all up. Cause now it's a different love.